Hey, this is part one of my cargo build, actually my camper trailer conversion. This is a 5x8 cargo trailer. I've had this for quite some time. I'm going to use this Artec foam, 1 inch thick with a vapor barrier on one side, and I'm going to install insulation into the sides. I've pulled the board off of the side. You just have to pull out a few screws, the whole board comes off, and expose it like this. And then I'm going to take these Artec pieces and install them in the cavities, and then seal this up and get it insulated. So I figured I'd make a quick video and show you guys how I do that. Put the vapor barrier to the inside because supposedly that's what a lot of people do, and that makes the most sense to me. Okay, so I went through and I let this dry. It doesn't take too long. It takes a few hours really to get it dry. And I went ahead and I cut the foam using this saw. It's a flat saw, put a little bit of a bend to it so it doesn't mess with the paper. And then I just slowly cut this off. Every single seam in here, I mean every seam where the insulation is to where the metal is, as you can see this was the metal before, I go in and I put this foil tape over the top of that as well. So there's no cracks, nothing exposed. Once it's done, this is 100% insulated, just like a cooler heater. So how I do the ribs, again, all joints, is as so. Okay, so this stuff peels really easy. I try and make a pretty long section, but again, it can overrun. It sticks to itself real good is what I mean. So what I do is you take it off. I do this in 3 pieces per rib. Okay. The first one goes perfectly centered. I go over the top a little bit, so. Okay. And then I try and keep it perfectly centered on the rib. The sticking surface is obviously the sides to the metal, and this stuff sticks. You'll see it sticks really, really good. So the reason I do this is the other 2 pieces will overlap to the insulation on this side and to the insulation on this side. guys, that's it. It's all insulated. All the walls are insulated. I did get the tape across the bottom there, and got all the sides done. I got a little bit on the bottom still yet to do, but that's it. And it's saying that that's what it's going to look like. Now, I still have the ceiling to do. All I'm going to do is come in here and cut out the size pieces that I need in the cavities, and then I'll take one side of the foam and I spray a 3M Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive on one side of the foam, and then put the piece up top, stick it in there, and after about 1 minute, so after you spray it, wait about 1 minute, and then you push it up there, and it just holds super strong. So anyway, that's it. As far as the doors, pull the hardware, screws, hardware, pull the wood off, and do the same thing on the door. Cut your foam in, spray foam where you need it, and put your tape on the sides, middle, and wherever you can. But that's it. Destroys are coming round. The surface of the sun needs a golden run. A perfect golden